Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are always good and stay healthy. So let me introduce myself. My name is Toro Budi Wardoyo and my student number is 201912500888 and I'm from class R4H. This video is taken for academic speaking assignment. So let's check it out. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to On the Spot. How are you today? Okay, good. I hope all of you guys are always good and stay healthy. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Toro Budi Wardoyo. Now, I live in Depok, West Java, but I'm originally from Purworejo, Central Java. Well, now I want to talk and show you about something that all of you have already known and tried this one, I think. I want to give you a clue about what I'm going to talk about. The clue is cream. Can you guess it? Alright, now I want to talk about some facts and history about roller coaster. So are you excited? Okay, let's talk about it. Roller coaster. Well, I think all of you have already known about what roller coaster is. Roller coaster. Elevated railway with steep inclines and descents that carries a train of passengers through sharp curves and sudden changes of speed and direction for a brief thrill ride. Found mostly in amusement parks as a continuous loop, it's a popular leisure activity. On a traditional roller coaster, gravity powered much of the trip. The potential energy for the entire ride is usually introduced in a large initial climb that is converted to kinetic energy on the first and often sharpest drop. Entertainment value is provided by the velocity of the descents as well as by the inverted loops, barrel rolls, and banked turns that create positive gravitational forces or G-forces that press down upon the riders in seats. The so-called negative G-forces creates the rider's sense of weightlessness when lifted from the seats over the peaks of hills. On most roller coasters, riders remain seated beneath the safety bar, but variations include riders standing on a platform or hanging from a shoulder harness. About the origin in Europe, among the predecessors of modern roller coasters were rides in Russia in the 15th century. Sleds constructed of cut lumber and tree trunks sped down man-made ice-covered hills. The rides were more elaborate than simply sleddings, reaching speeds of 50 miles or 80 km per hour and earning the nickname Flying Mountains. Both children and adults would make the trek up stairs about 70 feet or 21 meters high to a nice block sled outfitted with a straw seat. Okay, though some constructions were hundreds of feet in length, the trip back down was relatively brief. A ride inaugurated at St. Petersburg in 1784 comprised carriages in grooved tracks that travel up and down small hills by means of power generated by the height and slopes of the initial stations. Okay, the titles for the fastest, biggest, and longest coaster are contended for every year, with the latest crop of coasters trying to pass the extremes of the previous record holders, often at increasing cost. By the end of the 20th century, some 120 new or renovated roller coasters were being opened annually, with about half located in the United States. Among the technological advances in late 20th century were the use of electromagnetic waves to propel the coaster into launch, bypassing the need for chain-driven lift hills and gravity drops. These often didn't follow continuous circuit tracks. The linear induction motor, or LIM, used high-powered magnets to launch coasters like a slingshot, enabling them, for example, to reach speeds of 70 miles or 112.5 km per hour in under 4 seconds. A similar innovation is the linear synchronous motor, or LSM, by Intamin. Originally on Superman the Escape at Six Flags Magic Mountain, which accelerated the train up 415 foot or 125 meter tower before dropping backward at a speed of 100 miles or 160 km per hour. Part of the thrill of riding a roller coaster is the apparent death-defying aspect. But according to the International Association of Amusement Parks and Attractions in 2003, the chance of being fatally injured on a ride was 1 in 790 million. So that are some facts and history that I can share with you. I hope it can add to your insight. The conclusion is, playing the roller coaster is very exciting and also makes the heartbeat fast, right? If you're feeling sad, stressed, and have a lot of thoughts, trying to ride the roller coaster and shout as loud as you can, so that you can release all the burdens and thoughts that you have, so that it can make you feel happy. But remember, you must still comply with the existing safety rules in order to avoid accidents. Well, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Bye. See you.